Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Thank you very much.
So the one you launched last time, 2020. But they used the drink from the drink system.
On assumption of office in 2015, Your Excellency, you set out a clear target that we must produce what we eat and eat what we produce. And that has turned into a mantra for growth and rallying call to return to farms. Across the country today, many agricultural institutions have sprung up, and existing ones have been strengthened, and the Green Revolution, which is reflected in initiatives like Food Security Council, Presidential Fertilizer Initiative, ban on importation of foodstuff, and closure of borders for a period, are clear signals of the sincerity you have attached to development of the economy.
I am extremely delighted to be part of this noble event, the official commissioning of the first National Agriculture Land Development Authority, NALDA Integrated Farm Estate Project in Suduje-Daura, Katsina State. I consider this a noble event because one of the key factors that has constrained the growth of agricultural sector development in Nigeria has been land development and preparation. In the 70s, NALDA was well noted for its efforts in making land available to farmers, and this indeed helped in boosting agricultural output and productivity in Nigeria. Consequently, I'd like to commend His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari and his administration for the efforts in resuscitating NALDA to optimally deliver on its mandate. The emerging results of NALDA's efforts in fulfilling this mandate to develop our rural communities through agriculture is the reason we find ourselves in the prominent state of Katsina this afternoon. Your Excellency, sir, in the course of the inspection of this integrated NALDA project, you made a statement. Indeed, you directed and you made a comment at the governor of the CBN. You said, CBN governor, this is the best way to spend money. Your Excellency, sir, you are absolutely correct. Correct because in the course of this inspection, we saw a 500-hectare solar-powered irrigation project. We saw locally built rabbit pens, locally built poultry pens, locally fabricated agric implements and machines. I say this, Your Excellency, because through this, what we do is create jobs for our people, particularly our rural communities who came out and thronged out and voted for you for 8 years.
Thank you, Mr. President, for this vision and foresight that really saved us and restore our honor and dignity as Nigerians that can feed and manage their affairs. Mr. President, in line with the agricultural policy, you have introduced into Nigerian system a social security system that has never been since the amalgamation of Nigeria, any government. I have read and I have participated in few. Since a government that has deliberately introduced policies and programs that touch the last man on ground zero. Your social intervention has laid a foundation for social security system in Nigeria for the next government that will come. It is only under this government that an enumeration in many of the states was conducted as to the last man on the ground. Those that do not have toilets, those that if you have 10 naira, whom can you give 1 naira? The poorest of the poor are the people that have been assisted with stipend every month. The Empower, the money market, the governor central bank is here, the anchor borrower. It has never happened before.
Our vision of robust agricultural economy continues to provide amazing results. Across the country today, we are seeing rising public and private interests in agriculture, especially among the youth, and a steady migration from subsistence to commercial farming. With the support of public institutions like the Central Bank and the Bank of Agriculture, old tools are giving way to more mechanized style of farming. Credit lines are becoming more accessible, and farming is becoming more acceptable and fashionable. Indeed, we are witnessing a revolution in the agricultural sector.